This is my new Anycubic V2 and Anycubic 3 Kobra, and here's my first benchy I printed, and you can see that the very top of it, the reason it did that is I tried the sports speed at that point, which you can change while it's printing, and it caused it to just basically melt the top piece on there. But I definitely don't think I'll be using that anytime with it. But the other thing that happened was I had an error code right away. It was error code 10122, and to get to this, to fix it, you had to pop off the front, and you just squeeze the sides there, right there, to pull that off. And it took me a minute to figure out how to do that and find that, so I figured I'd make a little video about it. And there's a little heatsink wires in there, or the wires were touching the heatsink, and that was causing the error. So once I got those pulled away a little bit from that heatsink and put it back together, it printed fine after that. Also, to release the hot end in there, there's a little wire you got to push to the side and then pull the pin up towards you and then push back in and push that pin back in to secure it back in. I just tried that while I had it open to see how that would work. If this helped you in any way, or if you like these videos, like and subscribe. It'll definitely help my channel, and thank you for watching my video.